Jonathan Dickinson on the trail, and we see our bunny. This is the second bunny that we've seen so far this trip.
What?
This is the second bunny. Remember, we saw one at the campsite. Stevie, how close can you get to the bunny without scaring it? Walk really slow. Try not to make any noises. Travis, walk slow.
Slow down, Trevor. Slow down.
All right, leave it alone now. Let's go back.
All right, yeah.
Let it come back to its.
Yeah, let's come back to eat.
He's got another plate of food up there. He'll be all right.
Travis, you see the bunny?
Do you want to sleep on the left side of the mattress or the? I'm not
He's going to be sleeping in a room.
Or in the living room.
Watching you. Huh? No, but I've heard Daddy.
All right, come here, Travis.
Real.
Say bye, rabbit. You like that rabbit?
Yeah. No.
Did you tell him you love him? See the dragonfly? You like dragonflies, huh? I love dragonflies. Don't hit it. I like your stick. Let me see your stick. Wow, look at that. It has a pine cone on it.
I can go. This is a marshmallow.
Oh, it has a marshmallow on it?
I'll do the fire.
Yeah.
Okay, can I move?
Yeah, roast it. This way, come on. We gotta make it back to the campsite. We got a long hike ahead of us. Don't hit the woods. Come on. There might be bugs in it that are gonna come out. Come on. Say bye. You want me to pick you up? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
You want me to pick you up? Are you tired?